Good morning, students. I am Michael sir. Today we will learn the factors and multiples of second chapter. Okay? So, what is the factors and what is the multiples? This is a very important chapter. So, let's learn that what is the factors. And factors is a number which is a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So what is this? We take an example. Suppose that we have 6. So 6 we can write 1 multiply 6. And also we can write 2 multiply 3. So these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6. These numbers are the factors of 6. So these numbers can divide of this number. By this number we can divide 6. Okay. So these numbers called factors. So factors is a number which can divide a number. Okay. So now multiple. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its divisor. It means these are called the factors. So factors. These are the factors, and this number 6, this is called the multiples. Six is called multiple, and 1, 2, 3 and 6, these are called the factors. So it is written here means a number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. Means the multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. The multiple of 1 and 6 is 6. Okay, I hope you understood that. Next we will learn that the types of a number. Okay, students. Now we learn the various types of numbers. So, what are the types of numbers? First, I have given that 3 that even number, odd number, prime number, composite number. You have listened about this. So first we talk about the even number. What are the even numbers? Okay. So numbers that are the numbers which are the multiples of 2. Okay. So the numbers which are the multiples of 2, these are the called even number. Multiples of 2, it means we can write 2 whole, because whole we can divide by 2, 2 whole, 6, 8, 10, okay, so on. These are the even numbers. So even number, what is the even number? So even number is all the multiples of 2 are called even number. All the multiples of 2. Suppose that we are taking this one. So this number is also called even number, because by 2 we can divide this number. Okay. So odd number. Now odd number is just opposite of even number. Means that numbers which is not exactly divided by 2. Okay. Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. It means we cannot divide that number by 2. Suppose that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, and so on. And also we can write this number. So by 2 we cannot divide this number. Okay? So these are called the odd numbers. So odd numbers, once again I repeat that, the numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd numbers. Okay, I hope you understood. Now prime numbers. Prime numbers, now I am taking an example that 5. So you can write the multiples of 5. Which table? You know 5. Only we can write 1 into 5. And then no other factors. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Also 7. We can write by 7. 1 into 7. Also so many numbers. 11. We can write 1 into 11. Means these numbers, the numbers which have only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors. 1 and itself. 5, so 1 and 5, 7, and 1 and 7, and 11, 1 into 11. So the numbers are said prime numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay, so the prime numbers we can write 2 also. The smallest prime number is 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. These numbers are said prime numbers. Okay? And now next, composite number. What is the composite number? So composite number is just opposite of prime numbers. It means the numbers are said to prime numbers which have more than 2 factors. Prime numbers have 2 factors. But composite numbers have more than 2 factors. I am taking the example that I am writing 8. So you know 8, the factors of 8, 1 into 8, again 2 into 4. Okay? We can write. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. So how many factors of 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 is a composite number. Okay? Also there are so many numbers, means that numbers the numbers which is prime and which are left numbers that are called composite numbers. Which are not prime, then that is composite number. Okay? So I hope you understood that one, and next we will see the next number. Okay students, so we learned that what are the even number, odd number, prime number, and composite number. And here we will learn more types of even number, means even numbers. Okay, so here even number and prime numbers. So prime numbers we learn them, and prime numbers it is divide between primes, prime, triplet, and co-primes. These are the part of the prime numbers. Okay, so first we learn that what is twin primes. Twin, twin means two. Judwa, in Hindi it is said judwa. Okay, so twin primes, two consecutive odd prime numbers is said twin primes. Means two consecutive odd prime numbers. Here I have taken example of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are. Okay. So those prime numbers which are consecutive odd numbers. Odd. Okay. So now just 3 and 5. Just we say 3 and 5. Both are the consecutive odd prime numbers. Okay. So these are called 3 and 5. This is the example of twins primes because this is the consecutive. Okay, and some other example we can take that 11 and 13. This is also consecutive odd prime numbers. Okay, so these are called twin primes. Okay, now prime triplet. Triplet, these numbers stands for triple, 3. So now the triplet is a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers and differently by 2. Means a set of 3 prime numbers and different by 2 is said prime triplet. Here now the example is we can say that differ by 2, that is 3, 5 and 7. These 3 numbers 3, 5 and 7. This is different by 2 and these are consecutive prime numbers. Okay, so 3, 5, 7. This is the example of prime triplet. Means prime triplet is that a set of prime numbers which differing by 2 is said prime triplet. This is only one example. Okay, now co-primes. What is co-prime? Co-prime is, that the two numbers are said to be co-primes if they do not have common factors more than 1. If two numbers have common factors exactly 1, then these are called co-prime numbers. Means if co-prime numbers, I am taking the example prime numbers, then 1 and 3. So another example I am taking that 3 and 5. Okay, so the factors of 3 is 1 and 3, and the factors of 5 is 1 and 5, and the common is only 1. Only 1 is the common. So we can say that here 1 is also here, 1 is the factors of 3 and 1 is also factor of 5. Okay, so 3 and 5 we can say the co-primes also. Okay, there are so many examples we will learn in exercise. Now we learn the perfect numbers. Listen carefully. What is the perfect number? So perfect number, if the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times of that number, then it is a perfect number. Okay, once again. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times of the number, then that number is said perfect number. I am taking that example that all the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, then we find that is the 12. And 12 we can write 2 times of 6. We can write 12 equal to 2 times 6. So 6 is, so this number, so 6 is called perfect number because the sum of all the factors is 2 times of the numbers. Okay. Also, now you can find that example. Take that example 28. Now your work is write down all the factors of 28 and add that. If that number is 2 times of that number, so you will know that that is the perfect number. Okay. So rest we will learn the next video, and till then have a good day. Bye.